raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up from the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey, I don't trust nobody.
Hey YouTube, what's up? Copyright turn it all the way down.
Slacking, first day, I already slacking.
Okay, so this is gonna be our first vlog, whatever. I just picked up Birdhead.
Trinity, hey.
Yes, my name is Malik. What it do? It's time for me to go get a haircut.
I'm getting my eyebrows done.
Yes, I am vlogging and driving. It's a little hard. My arm burning already. She throwing down on some food she ain't ate all day.
I'm so hungry, y'all. Y'all know how it is with that school food, honey.
Nasty as hell. Anyway, but yeah, we're on the way to the barber shop, and then we're gonna go to the mall after. And I might meet my friends there, Jazz and Ebony. But we'll see. But yeah. So we'll just see y'all later.
Hi guys. I look a little.
Hey y'all.
But
It's cold.
it is so cold
it's supposed
today.
to snow tonight, you guys.
Yeah, so we'll see. We don't really get snow that much. We're walking to my dad's barber shop because Malik get his hair cut and he does my eyebrows too. Cause I just get them arched.
Y'all, this is one guy that he cuts hair at the shop. He's so fucking weird. He's standing out.
He's standing right here.
Look. Turn the camera. Turn the camera.
Can you see him? Can you see him?
A little bit.
Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna tell him to say hey. Hold on. Say hey to my video.
Hey, sugar boy. Hey, what's up? It's good.
It's for my YouTube. Hey, Daddy. Say hey.
Hello.
It's for our YouTube.
Oh, yeah? What you doing on YouTube?
Me and Malik.
Oh, for real? Hello, YouTube.
Hey, y'all. So, got my eyebrows done. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but yeah.
Got my hair cut.
Yeah, and now we're going home. We're not going to
Hello, I'm not in this frame.
Sorry. We're not going to the mall anymore, so we're just going home, and it's raining outside, so I don't really...
It.
Yeah, I just...
It's freezing cold. I have no hood. My head is getting wet. I hope I don't get sick.
I gotta take some vitamins when we go.
I did already.
Oh, I need to take some. But yeah, so we're just going home now.
Probably go to the grocery store.
Yeah, 'cause
Whack.
we need groceries, but yeah, so we just wanted to update y'all or whatever. So yeah, people are already staring day one. So we have to get used to this.
Ooh, I'm sorry, I gotta focus.
Malik!
No! It's a four-way stoplight. Oh, look at his bike.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, no, let me give Trey this camera, y'all, because I'm playing. Yeah, I got my hair cut, y'all. Ooh, I don't like my forehead.
He's so ugly. But y'all, can y'all tell the difference in my eyebrows? Like, I feel like this one is thinner than this one, but it's whatever. My dad changed the shape a little bit because I said I just wanted to try it out or whatever. But if I don't like it, I always grow my eyebrows out before I get them redone anyway. So I'll just grow them out and then do the shape back how they was before. So yeah, it looks so ugly outside. I wish y'all could see. But yeah, we'll see y'all later.
Okay, y'all, so we're in the store or whatever.
It's tilted a little bit.
Like this?
No, like it was just okay. And
It's good like this, right? Excuse me. Excuse me. Run me over.
wait, start over.
No. So we in Food Line, y'all. And everybody acting like it's gonna be 50 inches of fucking snow. I mean snow. Let me stop cussing. We're going to meet my mama.
Where's she at? Ooh, somebody smell good.
Okay. Hey girl. Excuse me.
Y'all, I'm gonna show you my auntie. It's my auntie Malik mama.
Watch. Hey yo, sister girl. Hey ma.
Auntie love.
Where the buggy?
Auntie,
Ma.
say hey to our YouTube.
Oh, you got a new phone?
This I wish.
Auntie, say hey to our YouTube. We started today.
I'm telling you, grocery store.
All right. Y'all, look at my mama. She act like we gonna have
Auntie, you
a blizzard.
love these. You be ready to buy
They
these.
changed the box.
2 for $4.
Oh, why you ain't get
Oh,
two of those?
strawberry,
Malik
yes.
like the strawberry. So we can share these.
So we in the grocery store, whatever.
So yeah, y'all.
It's probably okay. Oh, do they have ices? Yes, in the middle of January.
Yes, we eat ices year round, y'all.
Yeah, ice cream.
What you say, Bob?
Y'all, I'm a little lit right now.
Yeah, we eat ices year round, y'all. The ices are usually.
I don't think they have the color line. It's just ice cream now.
And then they got ice cream. The ice cream is on sale, but I don't really care for ice cream like that.
Well,
Ooh, my arm is
we
on
already
burn.
have vanilla at home. So it's pointless.
Right. Y'all, I'm actually used to people like staring at me, so recording in public, it's not even as serious to me.
Because, not trying to sound like OD or cocky or anything, but people always stare at me and Malik no matter where we go all the time, so.
Did y'all find your damn ices?
they don't have any.
They probably have a day frozen.
Oh, where they at?
Oh, on like the regular house, right?
Let's go look, Malik.
And y'all better get whatever crap y'all got on that list.
Oh, yeah, I gotta get my
Oh, my arm is burning.
Y'all, I'm about to show y'all these 98-cent noodles, and they be bomb. Y'all, it's OD people. And I don't have time. Oh, yeah.
I gotta get Trini's nasty ass noodles, y'all.
He a hater because these are bomb. Let me show y'all. What at? They don't have my kind.
Oh, that's a
This
different
the
brand?
nasty yakisoba kind. Oh, here you go. Chow mein. Chow mein premium teriyaki beef flavor. Okay, some people might not like it. I lied. They only 72 cents. Y'all better go get y'all
How
some.
much you said that was before?
92 or 97 or something I said. But I gotta get the one in the bag because what's the date?
Oh, my arm is burning.
Oh, okay.
The date? Oh, see if they expired?
Yeah. But it don't expire till November.
What else is on our list? Oh, the list on your phone.
How high I gotta hold it like this?
Not that high, but I just want to be at least in it. I don't care if you cut me off. It's fine. Kid has to be in it.
We still didn't even go home, y'all. I have not been home since 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm exhausted.
Trin got her little noodle stuff. You got regular noodles already?
See, this is what I was talking about.
You didn't get my list because I wanted you to get two of these.
Malik, you're not getting two.
Because the bag goes so fast. You
But
know
we
I love
don't eat them like you eat them. Okay, y'all, we'll be back. We're home. Here's my wonderful mother. Say hey, mommy.
it. Do not be no ice.
So yeah, we're unbagging all the groceries we just bought.
He called me at. Then he called me and said, I don't even want to work.
So yeah,
Here,
Malik.
He said, I called you. I figured you
Hey, y'all.
I like bought her a van. That's what she said.
She bought a van?
Van and everything. I had to check to make sure the light bill was paid. And then she supposed to be taking the kids to Rock Hills to Loop. And she didn't leave. She came up from work and sat down and chilled. Really like the motherfucking snow coming, okay? Get them kids down the motherfucking highway before you get in the motherfucking traffic. I was like, OMG.
I cannot.
Call.
Anyway, y'all, we just wanted to show y'all Auntie Reese since she hasn't been in the vlog yet. But we just about to unpack these groceries and we'll catch y'all later.
You your daddy's son. Hey, hey.
Bye, y'all. Oh no.
I hope we got more bags. I was getting ready to buy some at the Sold Out. Them shelves and Dollar General. Let me on the snack aisle. On the damn snack, nowhere to be found. Don't be filming me.
This the thumbnail. Auntie, get in here for the thumbnail.
What's a thumbnail? Do I get paid? I got a check?
No, just pose.
Y'all don't pay me? Check. I'm on my stomach. Check. Hey. The blizzard coming. The blizzard coming. Girl, get in the house. Lock the door. should bring it.
They're so paranoid. It's not even gonna be that
They're
serious.
used to New York. This ain't shit.
They claim they from New York, but honey, they done got Southern now.
Right, that's why they from Brooklyn, Flatbush. You hear me? We in the building. Get with it or get lost.
You feel me? I can't be Brooklyn girl, sorry.
Y'all know who it
How
is.
much was these? $16.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, burn up. Let's have one for
Beyonce all day, every day. You feel me?
I just said why they British.
Yeah, what?
My brownies.
You should put them
They
in a
just-
bowl and seal the bowl.
Malik did this.
Did what? Cause that's how we always do it. All right, y'all, my arm burning. I gotta get used to this.
No, all that.
Who is burning? My arm's burning. You want to hold the camera?
Hey y'all, I made some brownies last night and they trying to talk junk about my brownies, but it's
Y'all get her.
This what we got.
Clown.
Oreo things, you pay $4 now.
Clown.
Hey. You get a box thing, a thing of cookies, $2.
I can't do this. So
Empty jar of peanut butter, get rid.
So,
when your mother start cleaning,
Ma, you better get look so weird without glasses and everything. To let you guys know, my glasses. Ooh, that pimple. My glasses are fake. They're not real. They don't have no prescription in them. So don't talk about me in the comments, y'all. Eat what?
And even if he did, why couldn't you make him none?
no, but I was
Ooh, please throw them away.
I was just feeling lazy that day.
Can you throw those away, Aunt Teresa?
He eats those. When
Who?
Just the Carlos.
He's still eating them?
I thought that would expire.
They're not stale, not to his taste.
Who eats these?
Y'all quit trying to throw my man's shit away.
No comment.
Them kids is, throw this away. 7 years
But if it was our stuff, y'all don't want that.
That's what you just said.
Oh, wow. Sherry.
That was 3 days ago. Eat out all week.
We ain't have no choice.
I can get home every night at 8:30.
This lighting is A1. Feel me? Like,
These on stale.
ma'am.
She just trying
Taco shells? Where those came from? We had tacos in a while.
it's still sealed.
That's stale.
You think so?
Here's a-
I want to make me a spaghetti taco.
Oh, I don't know when we did that.
Who remember that from our car? I don't
No,
know.
I doubt it.
Are these good?
No.
Oh, I'm on 10%.
All right, y'all. Trent's phone is dying, so we're gonna charge it up. We might catch you guys tomorrow or maybe later on tonight.
Love ya.
Oh, D.
Who watches Divas Can Cook? That's all I was reading from.
Bye, y'all.
Float on the track like a Segway. Yeah, that way.